So in this problem, I have two equations that are definitely three variables, so it might look a little bit complicated at first. And sorry, this is a 6z, so I have 2x plus 2y plus 6z equals 100. So that's one of the equations it gives me. And then the other one it gives me is 2x plus 2y minus 400 equals negative 2z. And the question is, what is the value of x plus y? I don't like how this one doesn't look like the one at the top, so I'm going to rearrange the second one right here to make it look somewhat similar to the one at the top. So I'm going to, what I mean by that is I'm going to bring that negative 2z here, I'm going to bring the negative 400 over here. So that'll be 2x plus 2y. Now if I have to bring the 400 to the other side, it'll become positive. And I'm going to bring this 2z to this side, right? So I'm going to add 2z here, and that means I have to add 2z here. I'm going to add the 400 here, and that means I have to add the 400 here. So I'm going to be, my new equation will be 2x plus 2y plus 2z equals 400. And then at the top I have 2x plus 2y plus 6z equals 800. All right, and the question is saying what's the value of x plus y? Let's see where we can go with this. Okay, I see something. I can figure out the value of z. See this whole thing? I hope I didn't make it too messy up here. Sorry if I did. I'm gonna subtract these two equations straight down, and what that's gonna do is it's gonna get rid of the x variable and the y variable. So here, check it out. What's 2x minus 2x? 0. What's 2y minus 2y? 0. What's 6z minus 2z? 4z. And what's 800 minus 400? 400. So now I'm able to solve for the z variable. Okay, so I got z, and z equals 100. Right? Now let's go back. If I know what z is, keep in mind the question saying what's x plus y. So what I'm thinking right now is I'm going to plug the z right there. I'm going to plug the z right there, and I'm going to get a number. I'm going to bring that to this side, so let's do it out. So I have 2x plus 2y plus, I'm going to take a little bit of a shortcut, not to write everything down. This will be 600 equals 800. And all I did was, see that z right there? I threw the 100 right there. So 6 times 100 is 600, and that's where I got this 600 from. Now this will be 2x plus 2y equals 200. And I got this 200 by subtracting 600 here and 600 over here. Now remember, the final question is x plus y. So I'm just going to divide this side by 2, divide this side by 2. So x plus y equals 100. Same thing as what the value for z is. And I guarantee you, if you try that over here, it will be the same exact thing. If you want to watch me do it, you can, but if you understand it, cool, you can move on. But I'm going to erase some of this stuff. I'm going to make this bigger, and I'm going to erase this right there, and I'll plug it back into the second equation. Because remember, just keep in mind, I did erase z equals 100, but we already figured that value out, right? We know that z equals 100. So let's plug it back into this one now. So 2x plus 2y minus 400 equals negative 200, and that's just the z is going right there. So add the 400 here, add the 400 here. So 2x plus 2y equals 200. And then same exact thing, divide both sides by 2, you're left with x plus y equals 100. So my answer will be A, 100.